Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter M. The special M words are maid, meal, mace, milk, and mall. Our special guest words are bear and cat. This is the letter M. It makes the sound M. This is a mace. In this picture, it's spiky and gray. Say it with me, mace. This is a maid. Maids are hired to clean places. Maid. This is a meal. Meals are servings of food. Notice how the M sound leads the word, meal. This is milk. People drink milk to grow strong bones. Milk. And this is a mall. People visit malls to go shopping. Mall. Try to find the word that does not belong. Is it mace, bear, maid, meal, milk, or mall? That's right, it's the bear. Bear does not have a M sound. Let's try again. Which word does not have a M sound? Is it mace, cat, maid, meal, milk, or mall? That's right, it's the cat. Great work. Now, point to the mace. Remember its spikes? Great work, you found the mace. Now, find the maid. Amazing, you found the maid. Now, point to the word meal. Amazing job, you found the meal. Now, point to the milk. Amazing, you found the milk. One more time, find the mall. Great work, everybody. You did such a good job. Now repeat the M words after me one more time. Maid, meal, mace, milk, mall. Great work, everyone. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.